Lauren from fpvframes.ch, and I'm super happy to tell you about the new product that we've been working on for quite some time now. It's called the Xspire 3, and what we basically did is we ripped apart the Inspire 3, only kept the most useful parts of it, which is the camera, the sensor obviously, then we have the gimbal, and we also have the video transmission for reviewing the camera, controlling the camera and doing the focus pull. And we put all this stuff from the Inspire 3 on our own FPV drone, which makes it a really unique product around the world because no one else has ever integrated the Inspire 3 gimbal and camera into a real FPV drone as we did. The whole thing really does allow new kinds of shots to be done. You have much more accuracy, you have much more speed. The pilot just feels the drone as if it was a simple 5-inch racer, and this is a huge difference to piloting an Inspire 3 as it's much more sluggish. So this is super fast, super accurate, and this is going to be amazing for cinematography all over the world, I'm sure.